Hey, Jewelry Divas. This is Angela of Earrings by Angela. Hey, I just wanted to stop by and do a really quick video on how to use a cord end when you are working with leather or any other type of cord. So what you're going to need is you're going to need your round nose pliers, your flat nose, of course, a cord end and a cord. So what we're going to do is you're going to take your cord and lay it in the opening just like this. Okay, now how are you going to hold that? What I do is I use the tip of the round nose pliers, and I just want to bring this up a little bit closer to that circle. Okay, and I'm just going to use the tip of the round nose pliers to hold this in place, kind of squeeze it, right? So now my flat nose can come and do the job. And if you've taken a class with me, you know these are called the cleaners or the alligators. So you're going to squeeze one side. You're going to take one side and just fold it down. And see, now that I've folded it down to squeeze onto that, and I'm going to press until it squeezes. Now I'm holding that circle with my round nose pliers to give it room, because this is a team effort and they work together. And you're going to do the same with the other side. So I'm just going to turn and squeeze from the other side, let the cleaners do its job, and look how neat and fast that was. And you're just going to squeeze until they connect, they get married, they kiss, whatever they're going to do, they're working together. And you have your cord in. So now you can add your jump ring, whatever else you need to add. And of course, you're going to do this to both sides. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Click the link in the description if you want to take the free basic jewelry course. Until next time, keep creating, divas, and I'll talk to you later.